it. Okay, go ahead and start your left-hand turn now. There you go. Nice left-hand turn. A lot of weight shift. There you go. Bring it around. Keep going left. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Follow the hill. Keep going left. Keep going left. Keep going left. There you go. That's it. Keep going left. Okay, let's go ahead and do a right-hand turn now. Look right, lean right, and turn right. That's it. Come back around towards me. You're just going to keep stair-stepping your way up the mountain, okay? There you go. Keep coming towards me. That's it. That's it. Okay, go ahead and start your left-hand turn now on the lift. That's it. Bring her down. Keep going left. Good. Good. Keep going up. Keep going left. You're already way over launch, so keep going left. Keep going left. Wow, look at you go. All right. Come back right.